Hi, everybody. It's Professor Mitchell, continuing with Chapter 6 on ratio, proportion, and percent. Today, we're talking about percent and problem solving, sales tax, commission, and discount. So in this section, we're going to calculate sales tax and total price, commissions, and discount and sale price. So to solve problems involving sales tax, first note that to calculate the amount of the sales tax, you multiply the tax rate by the purchase price. And then to find the total price, once you have the amount of the sales tax, just add the amount of the sales tax to the purchase price. So I just wanted to show you that this amount right here is going to go over here. So if they ask you for the total price, you have to find the amount of the sales tax first. So for example, if a gold and diamond bracelet sells for $1,800, find the total price if the sales tax rate is 6 5/10%. So first we'll use the equation that says amount of sales tax equals tax rate times purchase price. So the amount of the sales tax will be 6 5/10% of $1,800. Changing 6 5/10 to a percent to a decimal, remember by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left, we get that the amount of the sales tax will be 65 thousandths times $1,800. You can ask the calculator for that. That comes out to $117. So then the total price will be $1,800 purchase price plus $117 sales tax, comes out to $1,917. All right, second example. This one's a little different. They're looking for the sales tax rate. So if the sales tax on an $18,500 automobile is $1,665, what is the sales tax rate? So if we call the sales tax rate R, then we can use this equation from the beginning, sales tax equals tax rate times purchase price, to say that $1,665 equals R times $18,500. So now we'll divide both sides of that equation by 18,500. And if you ask the calculator what's $1,665 divided by $18,500, it comes out to 9/100ths. So we'll write that as a percent by multiplying this decimal by 100%. The sales tax rate comes out to 9%. All right, moving on to calculating commission. So that's pretty simple. The amount of the commission is equal to the commission rate times the amount of the sales. So if a sales representative for office product copiers sold $47,632 worth of copy equipment and supplies last month, what is his commission for the month if he is paid a commission of 6 6/10% of his total sales for the month? So the way that you set that up, the amount of the commission will be 6 6/10% of 47,632. Changing this to a decimal, again by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left, you get 66 thousandths times 47,632. Comes out to $3,143.71. Here's another example. Feel free to pause the video and try this one. A salesperson earned a commission of $3,575 for selling $32,100 worth of books at various bookstores. Find the commission rate. So this is kind of similar to the second sales tax example, all right? It's the rate that's the unknown. So we'll call that unknown rate R. we get 3,575 equals R times 32,500. Divide both sides by 32,500. And you get that R is 11 hundredths. As a percent, that is 11%. All right, here's another one. This one is just like the last one. You should definitely try this one first. A salesperson earns $645 for selling $4,300 worth of appliances. Find the commission rate. So again, just like the last problem, the commission rate is the unknown, so we'll call that R. The amount of the commission is equal to the commission rate times, that's supposed to say times. Okay, fix that. I had spotted a couple of other instances of that on other slides, and I fixed those, but I didn't see this one. All right, we know the amount of the commission is 645, and the amount of sales is 4,300. So if you divide both sides by 4,300, you get that R is 645 divided by 4,300, which comes out to 15 hundredths. And of course, as a percent, that is 15%. All right, that brings us to discount and sale price. This is similar to sales tax. Sales tax is a type of markup. So when you calculate your sales tax, of course, you have to add that to the original price. So the difference here is that once we find the amount of the discount, we are going to subtract that from the original price. So first find the amount of the discount, which is the discount rate times the original price, and then take that amount of the discount and subtract that from the original price. So you take this amount and pop it over here. All right. So if a $2,000 designer dress is on sale for 30% off, find the discount and the sale price. So first we'll find the discount. The discount is 30% of 2,000. Changing 30% to a decimal, we get that 30% is 3/10. Remember that 0 after the 3, you can leave that off once you've changed it to a decimal. 3/10 times 2,000 comes out to $600. So the discount is $600, which means the sale price is $2,000 minus $600, which is $1,400. So this dress is on sale for $1,400. And that takes care of section 6.6.